Welcome to Social Trading Stuff. My name is Hierophant and I'm a retail trader. Today we are going to talk about the best performing Alpari PAMM accounts of the week. PAMM accounts are managed by traders who can make tremendous profits, but in turn they can make also big drawdowns. So let's go. Number 4. Alliance USD with a return of more than 300% in 2 months and 9 days. Ranking 29 in the Alpari website ranking. The risk level is maximum. The manager's capital is $300, which is the minimum for opening a PAMM account. The equity of the fund is more than $700. The return chart is growing and it is quite regular. So now let's see how many investors are there in this PAMM account. There are only 4 investors in this PAMM account, and the biggest investor has invested more than $3,000. So we can say that this investor is quite confident about this PAMM account. Number 3. Save 2021 with a return of almost 800% in 1 month and 8 days. Save 2021 has already appeared in the previous video, so it is a good thing to see it again in this week ranking. The ranking on the Alpari website is number 8. The risk level is maximum as usual. The manager's capital is also the minimum of $300. And the equity of the fund is more than $1,600. The equity chart is growing and is quite regular, so nothing more to add here. Now let's see how many investors this PAMM account totalizes. This PAMM account has almost 20 investors, and the biggest investor is this guy with almost $250. The others has invested sums around $100 on this. Number 2. Double check. Again, another PAMM account that has already been on some previous videos. I'll let you take a look on the previous videos to see its previous ranking. So double check is producing a very good return of more than 1,700% in 5 months and 13 days. The rank on Alpari is 18. The risk level maximum. The manager's capital is $3,000. The equity of the fund is more than $12,000. It is a good thing that the manager's capital is $3,000, because it means that the manager is quite serious about his PAMM account. The equity chart is quite regular and growing, with some big drawdown here and here, but the account is still growing. Now let's see how many investors are there in this PAMM account. There are about 35 investors in this PAMM account, and the 10 biggest investors has invested sums of a few $100, with the biggest at more than $600. And finally, number 1. socialfx. Again, another PAMM account which has been on some previous videos. socialfx is now at almost 2,000% in 1 month and 14 days. Ranking number 10 on Alpari. Manager's capital a minimum of $300, and the equity of the fund more than $14,000. The equity chart is quite smooth and regular, and it is growing. Now let's see the investments. There are almost 90 investors in this PAMM account, and the biggest investor has invested more than $2,000. The others from a little more than $1,000 to $300. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this type of video, don't forget to put a like and share it. Also, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you can have the video at the exact moment I publish it on YouTube. I put all the links of the PAMM accounts on the description below. I wish you a good week. Have a nice day. Bye bye.